Hi, I'm Kamala. Welcome to the Culinary Cam YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you how I make beautiful, perfect bacon in the oven. No skillet required, no greasy mess, and no curlicues. This I'm sharing ahead of Father's Day because our Father's Day celebrations inevitably include bacon, either just as part of our brunch or maybe BLTs at lunch, but our Father's Day always has some kind of bacon products in it. So I'm going to show you how I make bacon that is not curly and gnarled and undercooked or overcooked in different parts. This process is what I've been doing for years, and it always produces perfectly cooked, evenly cooked, flat bacon. It's perfect for BLTs. So what you want to do is you want to start with the best quality bacon that you can. I have two favorite places locally to get bacon, and again, local, I mean Monterey Bay area, and that is Pig Wizard on Cannery Row area Coast Guard Pier, or Baker's Bacon in Marina. And I always get their thick cut bacon, so that is what this looks like. There's a lot of different ways to do this. This is just the way I do it. It is a baking sheet lined with foil and then a baking rack nestled in it. And what that does is it brings the bacon up above and allows the air to circulate. I've seen a lot of other people who lay this flat on the foil, and it actually cooks faster because it's cooking in its rendered fat. But this is how I like it. This is a 12-ounce package of bacon, so I'm just going to peel that off and lay that on my sheet. You'll just have to adjust based on the size of your bacon strips and how you arrange it. I usually alternate it. I'm spatially challenged, so it sometimes takes me a while. You can have the bacon touching, but you don't want it to overlap too much, because wherever it overlaps, it's going to stick together as it cooks. I put it into a cold oven. After 20 minutes, I'm going to check it and then just see how it is to its doneness. If I want it a little bit more crisp, I'll put it back in, and I'll start checking it every 5 minutes until it's exactly how I want it. So I'm going to pop these in the oven and turn the heat on to 400 degrees. And then I'm going to set the timer for 20 minutes, and then we'll come check it. I checked it at 20 minutes and it still wasn't quite cooked to our liking. So this is what it looks like after 25 minutes. Beautiful, flat, crispy bacon, and no curlicues or weird shapes happening that you get when you cook bacon in a skillet. So this is what it looks like after 25 minutes. My husband likes his bacon a little less done than the rest of us, so I pulled this out to show you, and then I'm going to take his off and throw ours back in the oven for a little bit longer. If you like this video, please click like and definitely hit that notification and subscribe bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos.